Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys why replanting near the fire camp is necessary, and that is because if it's like nighttime already and you need more wood, it's easier to just go out of your camp a little bit. You cannot plant it in your camp, but you can kind of go outside a little to get more wood instead of going out. Just press E here. So instead of going out like very far, I don't know if that's right, okay. But anyways, you want to do that so you don't have to go further out of the safe area, I guess. Especially at night. Like right now it's happening. So yeah, make sure you plant them closer to your campfire. Make sure you eat as well. But yeah, that is pretty much it. That's why it's important to replant these near your campfire. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.